65% for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Statistically, we share the highest constituency in your highest vote. 93%. That is the Fijasia Sokore. And you have Mampong giving about 86%. Ejoso 85%. Afuano South 82%. Sa Edidiswa the several other areas. How can Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Bitimia penetrate in Ashanti region? Against the odds of Alan Kojuchira Martin and the Asante factor. Traba Ebe come to play in this election here now.
Oh, pa. I don't know no go monya 100%. I mean me go meet me.
Upper East, Kerede Japonia 23, the entire region. No, northeast.
Someone na central region no matter about me. Yes, sir. I'm better man for more music there. Now, because I say travelers, and you're travelers. Then young one must say, oh, my team, 35 million people. Now, you know, member party, me, and when you have 30 million, or we are not next. Is it normal? Is it by chance? No. And you're fraud because party million, party for men that didn't buy. Party for no, and I didn't buy. And yet, amount one told about my you or mobile. NDC for the same thing. Almost the registration fee, no cost of Kakata, will be a teacher. It's Mahama Kwaletia, and I do for so buy. No, almost can also resign. Sure. And so yes, I not just I on the post, and the elbow being gone, Ecofaku, who could you buy. Oh, yeah, there, the nice man that is no match in this instance. Anna, Mahama. I suspect him, I suspect. I don't know for sure. I would like to see the research would cheer for our registration.
Hey, I don't know just what was when to escape.
Ah, now I'm going to say, I'm challenging one. Let me challenge Yamam. When you are saying, on what you know, no him there, won't me and cry. On him. Georgia says, an allegation, Omufam, and he acquire a party no 5 years, Omufam Bella, and they acquire a party, and it is 5 years to Brownian. And it's the same thing. It's fraudulent. And your party no Unipano, a month on the tour by Unipa. But party no the shenanigans, and on my engineering, and on your mobile young, and on my said, tomorrow we are not tomorrow. Why? Is it like we said? This country of more than 35 million people, and we don't know all about business. What is the likelihood? No, we are not fools. What does it? They should come again. We are not fools. Now, here they have book and say, and a wisdom near party, wisdom, NPP, wisdom. When you are there, you are a theatre cut your team for Champo Bacase, a young woman, say NPP for lawyers, Motima Traho, no more drafto MOU, say, who free party, and I are binding, and you're binding. Freedom of association. No more lawyers in your Anoka so to say. Name. So, Bibi or what? I'm a man for both. One can want some money blue. Yeah, memorandum here. That's what he said. Now, all these time, I'm not for you complain. And I'm more for a film. And I want some more. How much I can't say, who and yes, want to be yes, on chance. I've been a movie. Oh, 10 years in past, no party band, no, they may catch them in all honesty. Before the engineering of Baubiano, Alan was a front runner. He was the front runner. What do you say? If you are going to take a party, he was the front runner. Okay. That's it. You should try to want to just change our one. Maya, the basis. Now, ya Baba Twaba. Okay, 1 week to the day. Now, my penny didn't ready, sir. The president Dankasa Bakraba, okay, yeah. man for NPP for Mr. You know what, Kasa? Monfantim. On what you need because all the leader. Monfantim. Party in some no, Uncle ye papa. I was here to me Kabum Kensi. To Monfantim. Then Kabum. What watching your mumma? Tuesday, Bishia said, Yanka. Oh, Alan, a body, Mr. and himself and Yambe. Into your slow council baby. What do you mean that? Because I'm very wanted. You need wisdom. Some Mukwa, and the said they can't, on one cockle, okay, near my cat or them, no, no, because you have wisdom, or some kind of wisdom. Well, be my heart about. No, they cost because you are taking it into a personal business. It is not your personal business, so it's a job and a responsibility to foster unity for cooperation and
Akoma FM 87.9.
You can't say you can't want to ask them. You, you ever heard the issue?